Hey guys, welcome back to Spine Spinoceratus, and I'm Aiden Rodriguez. And today we're going to be playing Jurassic World Alive gameplay part 1. Though I already have progress on this, I'm still calling it part 1 for a very specific reason, and that is it just won't restart the whole game. So that's why we have to do it from here. And I would have just done JW the game, but there's a huge update this week. Only for this week. There are going to be epics in your around your map or in your map every single day. You heard it, every single day. I've not opened the news forums yet, but look at that. That's how I come to know. All of the things are epic, and that way I came to know that every day is going to be an epic. Okay, Kentrosaurus, Deadly Spikes, Ankylosaurus. I don't want that. Okay, let's collect this real quick. I still remember in the olden days, not in the olden days, like maybe around last year, last year, JW Alive used to give those weekly incubators. They used to be, they used to give epics. They were literally awesome. Made the game way easier, which was kind of the problem with lots of people. Lots of people, not lots, but some people um, complained about. Maybe, I'm not sure why they stopped it, but maybe it was because of um, people complaining, because um, people must have complained about the game becoming too easy with the weekly incubators giving epics every week. That is a valid reason why they could have stopped the daily incubators. Oh god, that's horrible, but it was at the edge of the map. So yeah, that's my theory of why they stopped the daily incubators, because it went from amazing less. First it used to be epic incubators, then it changed into rare, and then they used to just give normal incubators, and now they completely stopped it. I am not sure if it was because of people complaints or because the game went too easy. If you get epics every like day, a week, that is a fact though. If you get epics every week, it will just make getting dinosaurs in the rare dinosaurs in this game way easier. But I honestly preferred the daily incubators at least coming a month, like a monthly incubator. That would have still been really awesome. Once you drawn over 10 epic creatures. Already done that on one. Second, let me just check this real quick. So, achievements 20 cash, okay. So there's a new daily mission thingy bajab, whatever you want to call it, daily mission reward thing. The Synsatosaurus or the Syntosaurus is the new one, and this is a new species, the Syntatosaurus or the Syntosaurus. I think I should just call it Syntosaurus or I think I'll just call it Synsatosaurus. Yes. So the Synsatosaurus is they are quite in JW Alive. There are quite new dinosaurs coming. Like the Acrocanthosaurus, Troodon, those were pretty old. And Trachypelta, they were released like maybe December last year or January this year. But there are really new ones. What was this? Which new ones I forgot. But yeah, there are tons and tons of new ones. Alright. So there has been a JW 2.6 update. It gives the Struthiomimus rhinacea. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Rhinacea or Rhinacea. I think it's Rhinacea. Struthiomimus rhinacea. And the Struthiomimus is honestly not that bad looking. Yeah, it's not that bad looking, honestly. It's a really good Shruti of Minus. I mean, if I was thinking about GW Alive, like if they were gonna add new species, and I was thinking about Struthiomimus. Struthiomimus, I thought would look like, God knows, it would be fully without feathers. That's what I thought if it came in JW the game. In JW Live, I thought it would be completely full of feathers, but at the Struthiomimus in this is pretty nice, honestly. This is the Dilophoboa. The new hybrid in JW the game. It's there in both the games now, and it looks absolutely same. It looks literally the same. I've not seen the coloration of this thing because I've never owned it. What did I click now? No, Dravenopteryx hybrid. One hybrid that I love in JW Alive, and I've not seen it anywhere other than JW Alive. There are quite a few hybrids like that. Is the Alloraptor. I've never seen it anywhere other than JW Alive. Is it somewhere here? Should be somewhere here. Monominus. Dilorhamus. Dioraptor is also pretty good actually. Where's the Alloraptor? Alloraptor. Oh, there's an Obolophosaurus, another cool guy, which I like. Where's the Alloraptor? Oh, there it is. So I really like this guy. Though I've never owned him before, he looks really cool. Really cool. Really cool face. This is a really awesome one. So I don't think I've done Titan Uprising gameplays on my channel, and I don't think I've done School of Dragon gameplay on my channel either, and I've not shown my progress on JW Facts. So it's just a scanning app, and you can just do quizzes. I don't own that many toys, so I just scan it, like I search JW Facts scans, and I think some codes appear. I just scan it from there. Nandu Sarkis. How long are we going to look at the glossary? Enough, Aiden. Let's explore out. Oh wow, look at that, they got fish on top of them. Epic. Oh, wait a second, if epic is the only thing you'll get, doesn't mean, look at that, you get, say, the fish on top. Does that mean we get epics in this, or rare? But the event is for epics. I'm not really entirely sure about that. Epic occasion strike. Ooh, this one's gotta have epics in it. 14 epics. Ooh, wow. The only epic I own in this whole thing. Are you kidding? Had way better creatures in, like, you know. No, I'm not taking Sucho minus, I'll take Barry Gen 2. Gen 2, Gen 2. Velociraptor. Velociraptor. This is why I don't usually play JW Alive from my phone. I'm not gonna win this battle for sure, but my best in between those combinations is Euophocephalus. So the first time I heard of Gen 2 dinosaurs or Generation 2 dinosaurs was in Alive, Jurassic World Alive only. So like, I'm like, what is Baryonyx? So the first Gen 2 I heard was Diplocolus Gen 2. My first question was, what the hell is Diplocolus? Like, what is it? Looks like a fish. Okay, it looked like a fish. Then I thought, what is a Diplocolus Gen 2? Like, he's already slow, dude. This attack animation of the Titanoboa I love in this game. Oh wow, someone managed. Oh wow. This guy's not immune. He's dead. He dead. Oh, he's not dead. Kid can take a hit. He's dead. Can Velociraptor kill him? No. I don't want to take high pounds now. Balance, gentle. Yeah, Velociraptor it is. Take that bite. No, he'll kill Velociraptor if I don't. If this goes for a critical... Okay, it didn't. Thank God it didn't. There is a really... It looks like a flop. Flop animation. Uh-oh. Dab him for a crit. Yep. See, this is how I knew I wasn't gonna win. I'm gonna continue making JW live videos, continuously get progress, and hopefully get like really good. He's immune. Take that, moss chops. So, whoever um designed the name, not designed, but whoever gave the name for moss chops really wanted to think. It sounds like a mossy chop, basically. Moss chop. I don't know if that makes sense, but moss chop. Oh, he's not dead. I'm dead. Well, let's just tap. So I need better creatures in this. So what I'm gonna do is upgrade my dinos. Oh, did I complete the daily mission? Because I need Sensato DNA. Yeah, I did. Okay, I need Sensato DNA. Okay. Cash. Alright, so... Okay. So most of these require shooting. Okay, I'll just launch a Tarbosaurus. One of the coolest Gen 2 designs I have found so far has to be the Allosaurus Gen 2. It looks so cool. It is like there's a Dino Rival toy of it. I think it was the one that appeared in Battle of Big Rock, except with a different color. Um, there's been... Oh yes, I'll take more cash anytime. Did I complete some one thing for the Sensato? Alright. Ooh, 50-50. Oh, 50 coins and 50 coins. Y'all saw that, right? It showed 50 ruins. 50 cash. Ooh, can I do? Oh, I can. Do I... I cannot stand a chance against them. Against that. At least now I can't. Later I probably will. Okay, so I have to continue launching stuff. My map froze. No, I just opened creatures instead. Okay. What's this? Application strike. Oh, I will not be able to win this one. Guarantee. Yeah. Then that's a Diplo. Diplo Collis. Certain features can only be found in. You didn't let me finish reading it. Diplo Collis. It's all your fault for getting ready too soon. And he moves so slowly. Really need to upgrade my park level. And for doing that, I need to upgrade dinos. And I'm create dinos. And I'm Diplocaulus. Yes. Yes. Give me that. How many more missions? 4 more missions and then I'll get completing 4 more missions and then I'll get the Sensato. 20 DNA. Not the Sensatosaurus. 20 DNA for the Sensatosaurus. This is the way I got the sticky Molex, so hopefully it works for this. I'm not sure if it will though. Really not sure. Not sure if it will work for Sensato. Collect the required amount. Oh, I have to collect that. Let the required amount of common DNA. Collect the required amount of DNA. Incubators. Okay. I want to spend my ruins. Spend my cash. Anyone needed an upgrade? Tabosaurus. Oh, is that Echo? I think that's Echo. Tabosaurus, you taking a little extra time? Yeah. Really weird thing is that all the time, the 3 times I played Jurassic World Evolution, the game, seriously, alive, I've not got blue. I've got all the other raptors except for blue. Echo is needed for the Dominus section too, right? I think. Ooh, Echo only needs to be upgraded 2 more levels. T-Rex Gen 2, which level? Xeon. He's on level 7. Decent. Pretty decent. Um, very decent. Charlie's on that level. So I need more Echo DNA. Am I in an alliance? I think I am not in an alliance. I don't think I can join that. One that I will join indeed, definitely. Can't join this one. Still stuck. Will that work? No, it's not. Okay, got stuck. X. Ooh, German Vikings. Good join. Can't check their profiles. X. Hello, X button. Have you frozen or something? X button. X button. Are you dead? X button. X button. The X button is frozen. Anyways, guys, this is where we have to say bye. Bye and see you all next time on Spanish Spanish Seratus. Bye.